Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be packing pieces of my office and painting the baseboards. I am not a painter, however, I am going to walk you guys through how I painted these baseboards to make it simple to get my house ready to sell. So please, if you are new here, take a minute, subscribe, comment, like, and hit that notification bell, and let's go ahead and get this party started. Like I said, I am not a painter. However, I just took one small brush and a little bit of paint in my red Solo cup, and I just took my time painting these baseboards. I did not make them perfect, and that is only because these baseboards soak up so much paint. So I just wanted to make sure that they looked white across the board. So yes, they look good. No, it does not look shoddy. But I made it simple because we are just getting our house ready to sell, and the people who purchase are most likely just going to be doing this room anyways. It took me about 3 hours to paint the entirety of all of the baseboards in my office. And if you guys have been here on my channel for a while, you guys have seen my office. I believe it's 11 by 11, pretty standard room size. Anyways, and these baseboards are 5 inches wide. Right here, I'm just going to show you guys how I cut into the baseboard and the wall that has already been painted this gray color. So I'm just laying a little bit of paint on the edge of the baseboard, and then I'm going to take the flat end of the paintbrush and just cut straight in. That way it makes a very clean line and it looks like a professional did it. Not to toot my own horn or anything. I also do not waste my time with tape. tape, in my opinion, is absolutely useless. So I just take my time and I try to be as precise as possible, and I clean up any mistakes as I go. I also wanted to let you guys know I will be actually cleaning and putting back together this office space for our showings coming up in a week and a half, give or take. That way you guys will see that in another video. I also just want to tell you guys thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. You guys encourage me and inspire me daily. I just am so appreciative, and I hope that you all have a beautiful weekend. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Bye guys.